Hi, my dear friends. Welcome to Prashant Vedagap channel. It is not going to be Prashant Vedagap channel from today onwards. It is going to be a Finvest Talks. Yes, financial talks. In this channel, we will discuss about the entire gamut of financial investments. Then we will also talk about the other areas which I got little bit of expertise, and some of my friends who are experts in other fields, they are also going to join in the view of podcast and startups. We'll also discuss about corporate law. We'll also discuss about the corporate training and little bit of the issues geopolitical here and there which will affect the economy, and which will enrich our viewers with the economics view. Initially, we just thought of creating this channel as a Artha Bhashani, but it's not going to be there. It's going to be Finvest Talks so that it reaches wider audience. Yes, my dear friends, welcome to Finvest Talks, and please like, subscribe, comment, and share it to everyone. And then your comments are very, very important to us, and I will definitely go through those comments and then improve upon the channel contents. Thank you, my dear friends. Please subscribe. There is a community button in WhatsApp and Telegram channel. And then please subscribe those communities also. Definitely you will be getting updates as and when something I post, something posted in my websites also. It will definitely help you make informed decision. The main aim of this channel is to make you informed decision of my viewers. So kindly, my dear, take note of, my dear friends, subscribe this channel. You will stand to get benefited. Thank you very much. Bye bye.